Hey crypto fam, your Crypto Nanny is back with this week's hottest crypto stories that are making waves across the digital asset universe. We've got some absolutely fascinating developments that show just how dynamic and exciting this space continues to be. Let's dive into 3 stories that perfectly capture the innovation, growth, and institutional interest driving crypto forward. First up, we have a tale that would make Captain Ahab jealous. Crypto whales are absolutely obsessed with Chainlink right now. Over the past month, these digital ocean giants have scooped up more than 8 million Link tokens, while the price rocketed an incredible 60% from around 12 to nearly 20. Think of Chainlink as crypto's universal translator. It helps blockchains talk to each other and connects them to real-world data. When smart money accumulates this much, they clearly see something big coming. Analysts are now eyeing a $23 target. Speaking of big moves, PNC Bank, one of America's top 10 largest banks, just partnered with Coinbase to offer crypto directly to their customers. We're talking about a $560 billion bank letting everyday customers buy, hold, and sell crypto through their trusted platform. This isn't just adoption. This is traditional finance fully embracing the crypto revolution. And here's the game changer. AI and payments are now driving crypto adoption like never before. A major survey shows 37% of people cite these as key reasons for getting into crypto. Real-world payments are exploding. 34% actively use crypto for remittances and gig payouts. Meanwhile, stablecoins just surpassed Solana in ownership at 38%. Crypto isn't just speculation anymore. It's becoming real-life financial infrastructure. From whale accumulation to bank partnerships to AI-powered payments, crypto is evolving from digital experiment to financial revolution. We're not just watching prices anymore. We're witnessing the birth of tomorrow's money system. All right, fam, that's your crypto update. Until next week, keep learning and stay curious about the future of finance.